Google Pixel 5 here. Brought in someone from Bourne. Nowhere else is open at this time of night. Basically, I don't know whether I had someone change the battery on this thing or what, but what's happened is the buttons for the volume up and the power have been torn because they've come away from the fingerprint sensor there. Obviously don't have anything for these in because it's a Pixel and like you just don't have those. So what we've done is tapped into these three tiny little traces in the middle here, bypassed the fingerprint sensor, soldered into the other side on the other flex on the other side, like that. And these wires are literally as thin as human hairs. So fingers crossed that's going to work. So they can get it changed once they've been on holiday, but they're on holiday tomorrow, so getting this done like ASAP. Spoken to the customer, and apparently this is a refurb from Google, which is not good. Basically what they've done is the adhesive, like if you look at where the adhesive is on the battery, well, the adhesive sits right on top of this. So every time the phone's being used, that adhesive is tugging on this cable. Well, probably when it gets hot and it starts getting a bit like loose, it tugs on this cable and eventually it's just cut it. So yeah, that's I've jumped that. Ideally it needs the cable replacing, but they're going on holiday tomorrow, so this is like a last minute job to get it done. That's tape now. Just want to point out this is not a proper repair. This is a bodge, but this is literally a 9 o'clock at night emergency to get this ready for the customer tomorrow, because they're going on holiday in the morning. So this is going to want to get changed, but this will revive the phone so they can use it on holiday. So that's all that counts at the moment. There we go. So it's a fix. The buttons are working fine, look. So now the customer has a working phone they can take on holiday tomorrow morning. They only messaged, I saw all the message on the local Facebook group probably about 8 o'clock, I think, and it's now 9:30 in the evening. So yeah, they messaged me, brought it over, soldered that, run the jumpers, and now they've got a phone for the holiday. So there we go. When they get back, they could do with the proper flex being replaced, but so that's a fix to get it going for the holiday now. So job done.